So today I'll be making a stud earring using pearl and these as beads to surround the pearl. So let me show you how does this work. So basically I am using this again necklace which is not used, and then I'll be taking a wire. So you get jewelry wires online. I'll attach a link in the description box as to where you can find them. Basically I will insert the wire through the pearl and then I'll start filling up the wire with these tiny beads. Okay, so what I'll be doing is I will be surrounding these tiny beads to form a circle around the pearl. So it's very simple. Here I'm just checking if the beads are enough or do I need more. So it's not enough, so I've added some, and finally I am going to end it up with a knot. In order to end this up, the start point of this wire, I will insert it through the end of the other side of the bead like this, crisscross it, and then I will simply twist it around to form a tight end so that this does not get loosened up when we are doing our other creative stuff with the earring. Now this pearl that you see which is on the other side, we will simply push it in like this. That's it, and that is like our satin around the pearl. Then I will just push the wire through that circle and then push it through the hole to come downwards. Can you see this wire here? I'll just pull it and that's it. Our earring is secure. Just twist it a bit and cut off the end. After that, just fold the end of it with the pliers. If it's not twisted, then twist it properly. And then taking your pliers, just turn it around and just press it so that it does not poke or hurt you when you're wearing them. And that's it. Your pearl earring is done. Cute, isn't it? Simple, easy to make. Here I'm going to attach the stud. So basically, in order to attach the stud, I'm going to place glue on the back portion and stick the pearl to it. So you can do this by placing it on a platform so that it does not move. And that's it. We'll let it dry for some time, and this is the final result. Cute, isn't it? So friends, do share it with others if you have liked it. Leave in your comments and I'll see you next time.